Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the essentials ready. Update both devices and keep them close. Once done, unlock your iPhone, confirm Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are active, and make sure both devices use the same network and Apple ID. Now open Control Center and tap the Apple TV remote icon to begin pairing. This initial action initiates a secure handshake, so the TV will recognize your phone as a remote. Follow the on-screen prompts on your iPhone and Apple TV to continue. Once your devices detect each other, you choose the Apple TV shown in the iPhone's remote list. Make sure the 4-digit code displayed on the TV matches what appears on your phone. Type it in to authorize the connection. This confirms you control the TV and prevents random pairing from other devices. If the code doesn't appear, try reopening the remote in Control Center or use Settings Remotes and Devices on Apple TV to start pairing. Wait patiently while the devices exchange credentials and finalize the secure link. To finish, test navigation, volume control, and Siri on the iPhone to verify everything works smoothly. Once confirmed, add the Apple TV remote to Control Center for instant access. If the remote won't respond, first restart the Apple TV and your iPhone, then toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi and try pairing again. Make sure both devices are on the same network and signed into the same Apple ID. This resolves most pairing errors. If needed, remove the pairing on Apple TV and repeat the pairing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.